Hi everyone, it's Michelle from SWAKEmbroidery.com. I have something to share with you today, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Designs and Machine Embroidery magazine sent me this amazing perfect placement kit. If you've been embroidering for as long as I have, 20 something years, maybe you got longer than me, I'm getting there. Always doing the placements always kind of slowed me down, and you have to measure and you have to hold it up and you have to look and you got to figure it out, and sure, you can do it, absolutely, but it takes so much time, and then there's a little room for error. So I'm so glad that this came along when it did, because I still have a lot more to go. So this perfect placement kit comes with 15 templates. It also comes with placement stickers. It comes with a mini ruler. It also comes with a CD, and you have printable pages of instructions that you could do, or just view it right on your computer the way I do. It also comes in this box, which is fine, just a box. It's really not. And all of the templates come together in this plastic bag, and of course it's zippable, so everything stays together, and it's a really good quality bag too. Maybe not such a big deal, but it really is. And it all fits right back in this box very easily. So you can put this on your shelf, you can put it in a drawer, wherever you have to store it. It's really super easy, and it keeps everything together as well. So today we're going to be stitching on a cloth napkin. I think it's going to be perfect for summer. And we're going to be using a design by Ace Points Embroidery from their Vintage Sea Life 2 collection. And I'll put that link below as well, along with the link to the perfect placement kit. So let's get started. With this kit come several templates. It also comes with the mini ruler, pillowcase and top sheet, regular pillowcase, just the top sheet, a cuff, boxers, bath towel with the border, a burp cloth. How handy is this? A hand towel that includes the border, the napkin right corner, center chest. This one's handy. A receiving blanket, how perfect for monograms. A bath towel without the border. Left chest, ladies and gentlemen. This is perfect. This would have been such a lifesaver for me 20 years ago. And a hand towel without the border. Now don't forget, it also comes with the instructional CD. And you can print these out as well, or you can just watch them right on your computer. This is going to be so much fun. What I've done is I went on vacation. I took a trip up to the Cape for a few days. Heard all about it on our Facebook group, I'm sure. And I was at the Atlantic Spice Company. They have a little outlet store there, and it's amazing. I think it's in Wellfleet. Check it out if you can. Anyway, I picked up some of these little cloth napkins. They're really, really cool, and you can get them other places. Amazon has them, at practically any store. Check out Target, see what they have. So I got a white one too, figuring this would be perfect for our demonstration. And what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to use the great little turtle design from Ace Points Embroidery. The link is in the bottom, down in the comments, so check that out. And I'm going to put it right here in the corner. And we have our little template, and there's actually a couple different kinds of templates that we can use, but this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to do right in the corner. Now I'm going to line this up right with my hem, because I want it really kind of inward and not go anywhere down onto the hem. I want to keep that nice and clean. And if you notice, right in our template, it has a little hole in it. And why is that? Oh, you're gonna see. So let's put that right there, line it up. Okay, that was pretty easy, took 2 seconds. And it comes with these sheets. Okay, comes with a couple, and you've got different kinds of stickers here. This one, you can use the sticker, and you can also write on it if you wanted to. We're just going to use these little circles here, and watch how easy this is. Ready? 1. Line it up, make sure we're good. Yes, we are. See the lines going right there? There's lines on here too. And we're just going to match it up. How easy was that? And then, ta-da! Look at that! That's where our center is. And it also has the crosshairs, so we can line it up with the sides of our hoop. How easy was that? Let's bring this over to the hoop, and we'll get it all ready to go. So we have our napkin all hooped up, and when I zoom in, you'll be able to see that on the little crosshairs, it's right under my needle. So let's go ahead and we'll remove the little sticker, because we now know we're in the right spot. And all we have to do now is go ahead and start stitching. I'll catch you on the tail end of this. I hope you had as much fun today as I have. This was so much fun. Be sure to check us out on SWAKEmbroidery.com, our Pinterest page, our Instagram, our Facebook page, our Facebook group, and don't forget our new YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.